being a single working woman absolutely sucks. It's the worst thing ever. I hate it. I would go back to the 1950s in a second just so I wouldn't have to deal with this shit.
The whole image of the 1950s housewife is literally an ad campaign. It's ads. It's people who were selling products to women, but also they were selling women on the idea that it's better to work at home for free than to work at a job for money.
One of the professions that women always dominated right up until the Industrial Revolution was the textile industry. Weaving could be a highly lucrative profession in the ancient world, and it was a profession that was monopolized by women. Textiles were really the backbone of the trade economy, and women were providing the vast majority of those textiles. The reign of Solomon is a time of unprecedented wealth for Israel. And if the Proverbs 31 woman is any indication, it wasn't just men who were making money in Solomon's economy. Women were making money too. And the Proverbs 31 woman is making enough income from her weaving profession that she's able to buy land with her profits, which is a reversal of what we saw in Genesis 3:16, where women are excluded from land ownership. So not just a restoration of personal empowerment, it is also a relational restoration, and those two things happen in tandem. So we're seeing that this is not a zero-sum game where the woman is empowered and the man has to be disempowered for her to be empowered. It says, the heart of her husband safely trusts her, and he shall have no lack of gain. So her labor enriches him along with her. He has nothing to lose by trusting her because she does him good and not evil all the days of her life.